I have Windows laptop, iOS iPad, and Android phone. Looks great. And I'm happy until I need to move something. Hello, I'm Victoria and this channel about education, inspiration, journaling, and challenging your limits and skills. Today I want to share with you app that I truly like. It's SendAnywhere and it's real life saver. Before this app, I struggled a lot using Bluetooth, different flash drives, dongles, cloud services, and it's long and it's painful for my soul. Now, I really like ability to send it and then download it at any time within 48 hours. How to use it? Choose file or picture on SendAnywhere and you will see code and time to time QR code, especially when you send in something from your phone. Also, you can create link and share it. With a link or QR code, open it and it's obvious what to do. With code, you should open app, find receive tab, enter your 6-digit code and download file. You can send file quickly if you already have saved device. Choose file, but in app you will find your device under 6-digit code. Choose it and that's all. For receiving part, another person or you have 48 hours. You should open history and the newest position, it's your file that you can delete or receive. Choose receive and download file. Easy like that. This app obviously have ad, and of course I know that somehow you can send file without internet connection, but it's always like a crap. The best part here, you can send files under 10 gigs and it's free. I hope you will find this information useful. If you want me to compare different apps like this, just leave comment below. Thank you for watching it and see you in my next video. Bye bye!